In a capillary tube of area of cross section A, water rises to height h. So we are having capillary tube whose area of cross section is A and in which water rises to a height h1 is equal to h. Now in a capillary tube of area of cross section 4A, there is another capillary tube whose area of cross section is what? 4A. Then what will be, or water will rise up to height. So H2 equal to question mark. H2 equal to what? Question mark. Now area of cross section of capillary tube A1 upon A2. What is area of cross section? Area of cross section is what? Pi R1 square upon A2 is what? Pi R2 square. Pi R1 square upon pi R2 square. But we are given A1 is A and A2 is 4A. So that must be equal to pi R1 square upon pi R2 square. This pi in numerator and denominator get cancelled. A get cancelled. Therefore we had 1 by 4 is equal to R1 square divided by R2 square. Therefore R1 upon R2 is equal to, taking square root on both sides, so R1 upon R2 is equal to square root of 4 is 2. R1 by R2 is equal to 2. But we know rise of liquid in capillary tube H is inversely proportional to radius of capillary bore. H is equal to what? 2t cos theta upon r rho g. H is equal to 2t cos of theta upon r rho g. So from this expression what we can say? H is inversely proportional to R. Therefore, H2 upon H1 is equal to R1 upon R2. R1 upon R2. But what is the value of R1 upon R2? R1 upon R2 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, H2 is equal to H1 divided by 2. But H1 is given as H. So, H2 is equal to H divided by 2. H2 is equal to what? H divided by 2. So, out of 4 options, option D is the correct option for this question.